So it's actually the second day. As soon as I changed the air filter and the engine oil, it started raining. So now I'm going to pull the car out and we're going to do the tire rotation. And if I recall correctly, the rear wheels get moved up and then the front wheels get crossed when they move down. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to also put grease in the greasable joints. So the tie rod ends, the sway bar links, I'm going to try to put some grease on those, and let's get to work. Now, while we're here with all the wheels off, we want to sort of inspect the brakes and rotors. This might be a little bit difficult to show on camera. I've already went ahead and inspected them, but just to show you guys, you want to look at the top of the brake pad on both sides, and then you want to look at the sides. It's going to be hard to show, but the sides to make sure that they are perfectly parallel with the rotor. As you can see, we have plenty of brake material. Well, I hope you can see. And it's wearing nice and even. Now if we look at the rotors, they feel smooth. Again, if there's like a grain of sand that got stuck and put a groove in it, I don't quite care. What I'm looking for is if it's completely uneven or tapered in. But this is good. Brakes here are good. Good over here, nice and even. Rotor looks good. Plenty of material left on these brakes. And again, not only do you want to look at them from the top, but you kind of want to look at them from the sides as well, which is difficult, but you guys are just going to have to take my word on that. Now, these rotors, you can see they're sort of odd in the sense that they're sort of tapered in along this side, and I've been telling myself I wanted to change them for the longest time, but never did, and everything's fine. So I would recommend changing them, but I've been lazy and they're just fine anyway. Same story here. Brake pads are very good. The rotors are the same as the other side. Could be changed, but not being a problem. Now when you're looking at these things, you don't want to get any foreign debris on the rotors if you can help it. So there's that. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to grease all the joints that we can, all the ball joints that we can grease, and then we're going to add some grease to these lug nut bolts to facilitate the easy removal of tires later on. So let's get to work. And so, there you have it. That was the 215,000 mile oil change, oil filter change, air filter change, light inspection, brake pad inspection, brake rotor inspection, ball joint greasing, and tire rotation. Well, there's that. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to. And thank you so much. Take care, drive safe, and bye-bye.
You wanna love me in your car. Ooh, you won't get far. You're back and you roll me in your car.